Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about saving, promotions, looking for discounted items, and on and off I'll do like a unbox, review, sometimes I get sponsored, and in this video I just want to share my experience with Carmax and how it went today. So basically back in about 2 months ago I placed an order of Tesla Model 3. Originally, I wanted the new color, the midnight silver or something like that. But I think maybe in August we decided to go with white. So I made a change, and I actually went into Tesla website and did like a trade-in and see how much they would give my 2004 Lexus RX 330. With about 170,000 miles, and I believe it came out to be $2,400. So about I think 6 days ago, I actually went to Carmax, and I actually just to play with it, not even like like serious, and then I put in all the information, and it surprised me because it came back with 3,800. And I also did another website called Carvana, and that one only gave me 1,800, so even lower than Tesla. So today, since I'm off, so I actually have the offer here from Carmax for $3,800, and so I actually made an appointment to go in today. And when I got there, I think the people at the front desk I checked in with them. I told them I had an appointment at 12:30 to check in my vehicle, but they just said, they looked up my name and said, go ahead and have a seat over there. And I guess like 30 minutes went past, and they totally forgot about me or something. So I went up and I asked them, hey, you know what? My appointment is 12:30. What's going on right now? It's 12:50. And they apologized, and they asked me, and then they showed me to one of the guys actually. Went with me and then to outside of Carmax and looked at the car, and he's like, you know what, go ahead and drive your vehicle and park at the right in front of the service center. And that's what I did. And they said, just go ahead and take all your belongings and go inside. And then he gave me like the printout of the offer, which is like 3,800, and he was like, take this to the business sections, I guess. When I got there, they asked for the registrations, the title, and my ID. And the lady she just put in the information, everything is in there. And afterwards, she just asked me, hey, go ahead and have a seat. And I guess the people there just take the car to the back, and I get to inspect it, or probably inspect the vehicle and check to see everything is all right. So I think about 30-40 minutes afterwards, another person came out and said, hey, Mr. Fan, all the paperwork's done. I just need you to be over here, and we're gonna we're gonna have you sign all these documentations. And some of the documentations, like I think one of them was the mileage. It just makes sure that everything's accurate, and then the title, and then what else, and the release of the vehicle. And all in all, it was like signing the paper, no more than like 5-6 minutes. And the guy who helped me out was really helpful as well. He was like, so do you have a ride back home? And I was like, I don't. And he was like, no worries. He just go ahead and ask for my phone number, and he called Lyft. And within like 5 minutes, a Lyft driver was there, and he handed me over a check, and he stated that this check cannot be cash. It can only be deposited into your bank account. So overall, my experience at Carmax, this is the one in Dorothy, great service, all in all, really in and out. If it wasn't for the 30 minutes that I was sitting waiting in the front lobby, after that everything went very smooth. Like they didn't ask me anything about it. They asked me how many keys I have. I said, I brought all the spare keys, everything about the Lexus. I just gave it to them, you know what I mean? And so my experience with this Carmax is nothing but excellent. And they gave me exactly how much they quoted me from the online too, $3,800. No more, no less. So very simple. less than an hour in and out. So if you guys buying a Tesla or thinking about trading in at any other places, you might want to give Carmax a try, because at first I thought Carvana was like really, they give you a good value on your used cars, but apparently not now. Now Carmax is the one. I only tried three places: Tesla, Carvana, and Carmax, and of the three, Carmax gave me the highest, and I actually traded in today. So that's something that if you guys buying a Tesla or you're looking to trade in your vehicle, you might want to check them out. By the way, this is not a sponsor video with Carmax, okay? So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.